Ah, this is a special vacation to our dad in Seattle, Washington. Happy birthday to my dad. So we're going to sing happy birthday. So this is Eshin and this is my brother Sanak, and we're brother and sister. We love our dad so much at Washington. Sometimes we've always fight, but we're going to sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Chinese chicken. Buck, buck, buck. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, stop.
Thank you for watching our happy birthday.